for RHP Performance, originally from Whangarei, now residing in the Bay of Plenty. Please make welcome Matt Beard. So this is qualifying pass number 2 for each of the drivers. At the moment we do have Corbin Wilson provisionally in position number 1. Corbin Wilson provisionally in position number 1. This is Matt Beard for RHP Performance, originally from the Whangarei region, now residing down in the Bay of Plenty region where he works for RHP and Reed and Harrison. Great to see him out there getting the job done. Nice tidy run there from Matt Beard. Tim, what's the instructions being given to Jake here? Send it? Just send it? Just full send, all 700 horsepower. So we have Jake Parsnip versus Matt Beard. We've got Nathan Williams and Hayden Story, and then Weston Floyd and Matt King. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the show out there in live stream land. You're my unofficial official co-commentators as we see Matt Beard taking on Jake Fastnage, surged right up beside him. Jake Fastnage though smashes that gas. Wow! Matt Beard! Oh, Jake went off too. Jake went off. You turned and looked at me, Roan. And Jake went off at the end. Now, I don't know if Jake was looking in his rearview mirror.
I'm not sure.
Because Matt Beard came rocketing out of nowhere, went off, and then I'm not sure if Jake got put off by what he saw. And I think Jake dropped the wheel off the edge there. So
maybe. I think Matt there was a bit blinded in the smoke and in the gas.
I guess the difference there, right, is that I think Matt was like 4 wheels off, right? So I
Yeah,
think
yeah,
that is
no.
a 0, whereas Jake would be a deduction for 1 wheel. So provided those cars mechanically okay, you probably still would think that Jake would probably still have the advantage. Better not be looking. Jake's always looking in the mirror, making sure his hair looks good. Sean, you should know that. Was a smoke show from Pokey's
Right.
Mechanical. Now, what does Jake do here? Now, if I'm Jake, I think you sit back a bit, right? You got the horsepower advantage. You know that you're going to close in rapidly, but you don't want to get trapped. And this is the bit that's dangerous for Jake, right? So, oh, that's it. That's smart. Yeah, smart drive there from Jake. Oh, Jake Fastnage on the throttle control there.
Yeah, no, good.
Jay-Z Jake is way cooler than LS Jake. Jay-Z Jake is way cooler than LS Jake. Harsh call, harsh call. My favourite one's Lynx Africa Jake.
Yeah, I like that one too.
Yeah. Where the Jakey award is, the Jakey is here somewhere, by the way. I have the Jakey, the bottle of Lynx Africa. I'm going to unofficially, officially award it to the most improved driver. Nathan,
Looks like he's broken a control arm there. His camber
Matt
arm's
Beard hard on the Santa Seaton, paging Santa Seaton. We need repairs on aisle 2. Repairs on aisle 2.
Yeah. Oh, that way he would have been slowing up into the 4th zone on his lead run.
Wanted to leave it streetwise, too much camera.
Right, time to get the old girl on the hoist and see what damage we have actually done. I'm guessing it's just a cracked knuckle. It'd be pretty impressive because I've never seen a cast knuckle do that. Looks like the axle's actually completely fine. Looks like it's just pulled out of the CV and popped the boot. So it might just be a cracked knuckle, maybe some bent arms. We'll get on the hoist and have a look.